Hello my beauties and welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this tutorial using some olive tones, which I've been really excited to do. Just a bit of pop of colour, something different on my channel. So if you guys want to find out how to create this look today, please keep watching and don't forget to like the video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel also if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the little bell button below if you want to get notified when I upload next. And also I hope you guys like my new backdrop. I wanted to change it up a little bit, so have a little bit of a different background, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to find out how to create this makeup look right here, just keep watching. Alright guys, so to start today I've used the Andalou Naturals Illuminating Toner just to get rid of any of the excess oil on my skin, and then I'm going in with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, just spritzing my face just to give it a bit of extra hydration, and using the Andalou Eye Serum as well, the brightening one. After I've popped that on, I'm going to go in with my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir Hydrating Serum, which is so amazing, so luxurious. And I'm going to add some of my MAC Strobe Cream on just to give my skin a bit of luminosity before I pop my foundation on, which is my Makeup Forever Ultra HD. And for my concealer, I use the Tarte Shape Tape and Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Alright guys, so I'm starting with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just using this warm brown tone just in my crease just to warm it up a little bit, and I'm just blending it through slightly. And we're creating a halo eye today, so we're going to keep a nice round shape. I'm going to pick up the turquoise color and pop that through my crease as well just to warm it up, and then straight away pick up that darker forest green shade and blend that all the way through. Slowly build up the color so we get a nice even transition. I'm just going to blend that with my MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to use just a smaller, thinner blending brush just to precisely pop that in the crease. Just blend as I go, and just adding more of that transition shade just to blend it all out. Just make sure it's all blended nice and evenly so we don't have any harsh lines. And I'm just going to keep adding a bit more of that forest green from the Morphe palette just to build up the intensity and blend out as I go. So I'm just going to pick up my Too Faced glitter glue and pop that right in the center where I've left that space. I'm going to use this Makeup Geek pigment in Utopia. This is such a gorgeous shade. I've been wanting to use this so long in a tutorial and I finally picked it up. I'm just going to pat that right in the middle of the eyelid, just between the two darker green shades, and blend the crease with that. Just add a little bit more of the forest green color just to define the crease so it gives you that nice crease line. And you can make it as dark or as light as you want it also. I'm just going to pack on a bit more of that pigment just so it's nice and vibrant. Such a beautiful olive shade. I'm going to pick up a little bit of that same shade that I used in the crease on the top lid and buff that through my lower lash line with that dark green shade also, all the way through to the inner corner, and blend out as I go as well. Just going to pick up my Essence Extreme Lasting Liner and pop that in my lash line. So I'm going to use it on my bottom waterline, and I popped a little bit on my tight line as well. And just make sure it's all blended through. Gives a nice smoky effect. I'm going to pick up that light green sparkly shade in the Morphe palette and just pop it on top of where I popped the pigment just to lighten it a little bit. I'm going to line my lash line with the Maybelline Master Precise Liner, just a really thin line. And pop some mascara on. This is the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. It's my absolute fave. It's so amazing. And guys, these lashes are my absolute favorite right now. They're the Eylure Opulent lashes. Oh my god, they're stunning. They look beautiful. So I'm just going to dust away the bake and pop some banana shade from my ABH contour kit just to brighten. I'm going to use my Tartiest Pro to Glow chisel shade just to contour slightly before I bronze up the skin. So I'm just going to pop it in the hollows of my cheeks and just blend that out. I'm just going to add some of my Benefit Hoola just to warm it up a little bit more. So I'm just doing my cheeks, my forehead, and I do my jawline as well, just to blend it all the way through. And just to clean up my contour, pop some of the RCMA translucent powder and pop some blush on. I'm just using my favourite highlighter, the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Emrezy highlighter. It's absolutely stunning. Check that out, guys. Oh, it goes so well with the eye colour. I love just drowning my face in this. So I've been popping a little bit on my chin as well and spray my face just to add a little bit of dewiness, and then I'm going to pop on a bit more of that highlighter. It just intensifies it even more. So gorgeous. Check this out. Oh my god. Can't even deal. Oh my god. So I'm going to use my MAC Nylon on the inner corners of the eye and the brow bone as well. Just lifts it really nicely. And just blend out the crease with the nylon. And I'm going to use my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner just on the inner corner. I've been really liking this look as of late, and especially on top of the nylon, it acts as a bit of a base, so it really sticks to it and adds a little bit of vibrancy. I'm going to use my MAC Oh Honey Lip Liner, and I'm going to use my Kat Von D Bow and Arrow Liquid Lipstick and my Sephora Lip Stain in 32. It's so pretty. Literally so comfortable on the lips also. It's just amazing. So guys, this is the final result right here. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial and enjoyed a pop of colour on my channel. I'm hoping to do some more colour themed videos for you guys. I think that would be a really fun idea. So if you have any colour requests, just let me know down in the comments and I'm happy to do any colour. I'm really feeling this right now with all this olive. I love olive, so pretty. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, don't forget to press the little bell button below if you want to get notified for when I upload next. So guys, I hope you have a fabulous day and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!